Ah, Paris, the city of light. Known for its romantic ambiance, exquisite cuisine, and timeless art, Paris is a dream destination for many. But beyond the iconic landmarks, what are the quintessential activities one must indulge in while visiting this enchanting city? Today we delve into a curated list of intriguing things to do in Paris, inviting you to experience the city like never before. Imagine starting your day with a stroll along the Seine. As the sun rises, its golden rays shimmering on the water, take a moment to appreciate the serene beauty of Paris awakening. Crossing one of the many ornate bridges, such as the Pont des Arts, offers not only picturesque views but also an intimate glimpse into the daily life of Parisians. As you meander through the city, make your way to the historic district of Le Marais. Known for its charming cobblestone streets and vibrant culture, Le Marais is a treasure trove of art galleries, boutiques, and cafes. Here you can savor a freshly baked croissant at a quaint cafe while watching the world go by, an experience that is quintessentially Parisian. Next, immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of art that Paris offers by visiting the Musée d'Orsay, housed in a stunning Beaux-Arts railway station. This museum boasts an impressive collection of Impressionist and Post-Impressionist masterpieces. The works of Monet, Degas, and Van Gogh await, promising to inspire and captivate. Of course, no trip to Paris would be complete without a visit to the Eiffel Tower. Standing tall as a symbol of French elegance, this architectural marvel is best appreciated in the late afternoon. As the sun sets, the tower illuminates, its twinkling lights creating a magical atmosphere. For those seeking an elevated experience, a visit to the summit rewards with breathtaking panoramic views of the city. Dining in Paris is an art form in itself. For an unforgettable gastronomic journey, indulge in authentic French cuisine at a Michelin-starred restaurant, or discover hidden gems in local neighborhoods. Whether it's buttery escargots, delicate macarons, or a robust coq au vin, each dish tells a story of France's culinary heritage. Venturing beyond the city center, take a day trip to the Palace of Versailles. This opulent estate, once the seat of power for French royalty, astounds with its grandeur. Wander through the Hall of Mirrors or lose yourself in the meticulously manicured gardens, each corner bearing witness to centuries of history. As our journey through Paris draws to a close, remember to pause and reflect on the moments that truly make this city extraordinary. Whether it's a spontaneous encounter with a street artist or a quiet moment in a hidden park, Paris invites you to see, taste, and feel its essence. In this city where past and present intertwine seamlessly, every experience is an invitation to discover its many facets. So, whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, let Paris charm you anew, leaving you with memories to cherish for a lifetime.